It's day 7 ng Project Tatay, body transformation using 2 dumbbells at home, at rest day natin ngayon. So since rest day natin ngayon is wala tayong ginawang workout. Pero naglaba tayo kaya kahit papaano na-burn naman yung calories na in-intake natin. And pag rest day is kung gusto mo is cheat day mo, magdadagdag ka lang din ng carbs. Pero ako, since aggressive cut nga ang ginagawa natin, is hindi tayo nag-take ng carbs na madami pa rin. So ngayon, next week ang gagawin natin is progressive overload. So ano ba yung progressive overload? So si progressive overload guys is magdadagdag ka ng bigat gradually or stress sa muscle mo. So in my case, meron lang akong 20 lbs na dumbbells. So magdadagdag na lang tayo ng repetition. So from 10 to 12 and next week naman from 3 set to 4 set. So malay mo, next week magkaroon tayo ng dumbbells pambili or next week magkaroon naman tayo ng bench para mas maayos yung pagbubuhat natin at malay mo magkaroon tayo ng tatay gym dito sa bahay. Sana nakatulong and hit that plus button kasi I'll share every workout, mistake, and lesson I learned. And remember, be 1% better than yesterday.